Most overseas nurses have LinkedIn, but recruiters still don't notice them. In this video, I'll show you how to fix that professionally. Professional LinkedIn profile guide for nurses. 1. Professional photo. Use clean background. Smiling professional photo. Good lighting. Avoid filters. Group photos. Casual party pictures. 2. Headline. Very important. Instead of nurse at hospital, use registered nurse, ICU nurse, overseas opportunities, NMBI applicant. 3. About section. Keep it short, professional, keyword rich. Example: registered nurse with 5+ years of experience in medical, surgical, and emergency care. Skilled in patient management, medication administration, and multidisciplinary teamwork. Currently exploring international nursing opportunities and progressing through overseas licensing pathways. 4. Experience section. Don't just write staff nurse. Write 1. Managed patient care in 30-bed medical surgical ward. 2. Administered medications safely. 3. Assisted emergency procedures. 4. Maintained infection control standards. 5. Add certifications. Examples: BLS, ACLS, YELTS/OE, NCLEX, NMBI application. These increase visibility. 6. Turn on open to work. LinkedIn allows recruiters to find you faster. Use open to work. Target registered nurse, ICU nurse, staff nurse, overseas nurse. 7. Use nursing keywords. Recruiters search keywords like registered nurse, ICU nurse, MedSurg nurse, NMBI, DHA, NCLEX. Add them naturally to profile. 8. Connect professionally. Connect with 1. Recruiters. 2. Hospitals. 3. Nurse managers. 4. Overseas nurses. Avoid spamming inboxes. Best LinkedIn tip. Very important. Post occasionally. Nursing achievements. Certifications. Licensing progress. This makes recruiters see you as active and serious.